Okay, quit harassing Lennox. Okay, y'all need to learn to go down the steps. Okay, that's one way to go down the steps. Nope, you gotta go down one at a time. Take one at a time. Okay, there's the other one learning how to go down the steps. What are you doing, silly boy? Y'all messing in Daddy's flower bed? Are y'all in Daddy's flower bed? Huh? You gonna help Daddy weed it? We're gonna weed the flower bed. Nope, so I went up the steps. Come on, one more step. There you go, good. So we're learning how to do steps today and playing in Daddy's flower garden. Yeah. Yeah. Show everybody that face. Oh, there's that face. I got cuteness. Alright. Go down the steps again. I'm kicking you out of the nest. I'm kicking you out of the nest. You gotta go down steps. There's Lennox. He wants to play stick. Give me a stick, Lennox. In here. You ready, buddy? You ready, Lennox? Okay, don't step on nobody. Be careful, Lennox. Don't step on nobody. Okay, good boy. Thank you. I've got it. Shh, solid voice. Playing in the garden. Yep, you gonna learn. Come on, you gotta do it. You gotta go up the steps. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, you gotta go up steps, down the steps. I like jumping all the steps. So we're just gonna plow through Daddy's flowers. It's a good thing all the daffodils done bloomed, huh? So we're just gonna cut them down anyway. Oh, I didn't see you sneak up here beside me. You snuck up here beside Daddy. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. What are you doing? Come on up the steps. Come on, you can do it. Come on. There, see, you did it. You did it. See, we're learning steps good. Yes. We're learning steps good today. Now, Daddy's going to kick you back out of the nest. Okay, thank you, Lennox. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. You lay down in the mud hole, didn't you? You lay down in the mud hole. Watch out for the babies. Don't step on them. Let go. Okay, Trixie. Lennox can get the stick all by itself. Ready, Lennox? Go get it. Y'all just gonna lay there and watch him, huh? Leave the water bowl alone. I don't feel like getting soaked. Okay, get down the steps. You too, get down the steps. Go. Get down the steps. I want to see some step moving. Go, down the steps. Get down the steps. No, I say come up the step. I said go down the step, Goofy. Are y'all getting tired? Are you getting Daddy's lap trying to take a nap? Are you trying to take a nap in Daddy's lap? Okay, Lennox. My goodness, y'all. Okay, I think everybody's getting tired. Everybody's coming back up the steps to get Daddy's lap. Everybody's coming to get Daddy's lap. Y'all getting tired? You getting tired? Pick it up for me, Lennox. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna throw it. Give me a patient. Give me a second. Be careful, they'll step on the puppy. Good boy. That's good boy. Oh, I'm gonna throw it. Be patient. I'm gonna throw it. Be patient. Sit. Sit. No, you sit. Go get it. Lennox, Pixel. I'm watching you, Pixel. Oh, it broke. It's right there. It broke. Bring it back. I'll throw it again. Thank you. Okay, you ready? Okay. You slimed it, Lennox. No, you leave Pixel alone. Pixel, put your tail down. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take the babies inside, Lennox. Okay? I'm going to throw it last time. I got to take babies inside. They're tired. Look at them. Everybody's over here huffing and puffing on Daddy. Everybody's over here huffing and puffing on the Daddy. Come on. Come on, Mr. Darcy. There's Mr. Darcy. Here, Lennox. Last throw. Go get it. Alright. Is everybody ready to go inside? Everybody's crowding up on Daddy here. I got puppies all around me.